So again, this is a nice little roller coaster experiment for demonstration purposes. Usually I'll give my students time to build this, and I would tell them part of the criteria is to make it as creative as possible. This has led to students doing things like one group actually having a wire structure around it, and asked them what it was for, and they asked they could put some ethanol-soaked tissue around it, so they had a ring of fire as part of theirs. Some groups have had jumps, some have done double loop-the-loops. There's been all sorts of stuff going up and ramps down. This is just the most simple one. It's just stuck to a desk, and I'm just going to run the marble down. And as you can see, it goes round, comes off the bottom. It's a really good experiment. I love it because when it holds together, you can take photos of this, you can repeat the experiments, and if they can't do that, then I explain to them that in science you have to be able to make repeat measurements. Having things that are broken doesn't actually work, so they have to do that. At the bottom of this, I've isolated an area with some tape, and that's to allow me to take the video of this, and to potentially, I can actually just work out the time here and time here from the camera, and then use that as a simple light gauge to work out the velocity across that known distance. So that's actually quite a nice way of working this out if you've only got phones available. It's great I use this often for GCSEs in terms of summarising the force as a unit. You can look at where the maximum acceleration, deceleration, velocity and so on is, and it's lovely. I use it often with my first year A-level group, first year IB group, in terms of just what do you remember. It's good fun, it's really simple to do. You just need some pipe tubing, which is a couple of quid for a 2-metre section, and then obviously I've just chopped it in half, and a marble. The students often find problems seeing what's going on, so I offer them these red rubber balls. And that also is a useful learning activity in terms of as to why, yes, you can see these better, but it won't go around the loop-the-loop. And I think there's lots of really good stuff in this, and it's fun. It's just a really nice, fun lesson or double lesson to use.